Ruth's Chris Steakhouse can be a little pricey, but thanks to the University of Michigan, the franchise in Ann Arbor is downright reasonably priced for 1 week. The Ruth's Chris Steakhouse in Ann Arbor, Michigan announced the Score Big promotion on their Facebook page, declaring that they would give a discount to their customers as a percentage off their bill in conjunction with how many points University of Michigan wins. For example, Michigan beats Rutgers by 20 points. Your discount would be 20% off your food the following Sunday through Thursday. 20 points would have been a decisive victory. But the University of Michigan football team outperformed the example, defeating Rutgers with a decisive 78-0. So instead of 20% off, diners only have to pay 22%? Well, no. The steakhouse wisely capped the promotion at 50%, and the discount does not apply to alcohol. The restaurant will honor the giant discount and is understandably booked through Thursday when the Score Big promotion ends. Everybody who missed out on a reservation is probably feeling as sad as a Rutgers fan. I'm Carrie Lum for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.